So this is a new day. Welcome to another day in the lawn with the lawn Sensei. Today is September 3rd, but what we have done yesterday, we have finished to level up the lawn. We have seeded, we have rolled everything in, we have applied the started the fertilizer, and I do have also leveled this side as much as I could, seeded and fertilized as well. Today what we have left, it's basically applied pit moss, setting up the irrigation. I'm gonna apply tenacity to prevent the weeds to come up. I hope you guys has enjoyed this video as much I have enjoyed to do my renovation, even though it's been a lot of work. If you have not yet done so, consider to subscribe to my channel for more content to come. I appreciate if you leave me a like and a comment and push that subscribe button, and I'll see you to the next video. Thank you.